The following message is being sent out by the remains of the Irish government. Ireland has officially fallen to the hands of the Liminality situation. Ever since appearing in Dublin 2 weeks ago, the victims started increasing rapidly, and now the police forces have fallen. The cause behind all of this is sleeping for more than 90 minutes. When you sleep for 90 minutes or more, you have a liminal dream, which then causes you to go insane. If you start to go insane, commit suicide while you can. The president has been killed by a victim, and the government has collapsed. Mass panic and hysteria can be seen across all of Ireland, and only 1 million remain. The rest have either turned crazy due to liminality, or have committed suicide for the good of the nation. There is nothing more that Ireland can do. We will contact the ECDC about what's happening. Electricity, gas, and water shall be cut off tomorrow at 7 p.m. Ireland is no more. Goodbye, Ireland. We will stand up again very soon. We shall play our anthem for one final time.